Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat ninja. So here you can see that I'm using my compass with a tiny pencil in it to draw the cat ninja. Now I'm using my gray pen. Here's its ears. Now I'm drawing its eyes. To do the coloring, I'm using my black marker pen. Now I will be using my pencil to draw its eyes. And I'm using my black pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. I'm using my pencil to do the coloring. And I'm using my gray pen again. Now I'm using my yellow pen. For its color, I'm using my red pen. Now let's draw its body. To draw its body, I'm using my gray pen. Let's draw its weapon. My drawing is done. To do the coloring, I'm using my black marker pen again. To color its shoes, I'm using my gray pen. It's looking really horrific. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.